Hi, it's Meghan Pachas, Principal Broker with MAP Property Solutions. And as I'm sure you have seen, the CDC is now recommending that everybody wears a face mask, no matter if they're out in public or if you're sick or not. So the girls and I wanted to make you a video today on how to make a homemade face mask out of supplies that you probably already have at home. So Tabes, you want to tell us what those supplies we need are?
Coffee filters, rubber bands, and a bandana.
And hair ties work too.
Yep. If you don't have rubber bands at home, hair ties also work. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get a coffee filter and fold it in half like a half moon shape. If you have the coffee filters that are shaped like a cup, you can fold them in half and then cut the bottom off because you just want this half moon shape. Then you just fold your bandana in half. Just so that it makes a rectangle. Then you take your coffee filter and lay it down flat in the middle. And take the top of your bandana and fold it about halfway down, kind of like this. Then you take the bottom and fold it up so that they come together and the filter's in the middle. So you'll have a rectangle shape. Next, you take your hair ties or rubber bands and put your bandana through each one and keep them about 6 inches apart. Like that. Then you take the ends and fold them in the middle. And you can even tuck them into the rubber band if you need to. Because if they won't stay in like mine won't, you'll probably need to tuck them in. And then you should have a little square pouch with the rubber bands at the ends. And then you just hook them behind your ears.
I put them on around.
There you go. And that's it.
Oh no.